So here are a couple of things that you should know about the hand-milled drone. This is from perspective of an owner. I've been playing with it for the past week, and this is what I've learned. It's very important to keep in mind how much this drone cost. And you shouldn't compare it to a 1,000 plus drone. For the affordable price that you find it on Amazon, this drone does a lot. First I want to mention is that it's easy to fly. Out of the box, you just have to read the instructions. Once you figure out how it runs, you could fly it in no time. It's very, very stable and it's very, very easy to control. It also has a camera, and no, it does not have enhanced stabilization on it, but it looks pretty decent for the price range that this drone competes in. If the drone crashes, it's usually very, very easy to recover. You just pick it up, flip it upside up, and it flies again. I've crashed it multiple times without any damage. I want to mention that all the crashes were caused by me, not knowing the controls. The drone is pretty responsive. The remote is easy to understand. It works really, really good. It has a very, very decent range. You can climb to a very, very high altitude, and you could set that altitude to whatever you want. It can be controlled by an app on your phone. It has follow me mode and it has panoramic mode. So enjoy this video. These are a couple of examples of things that you could do with this drone. I'm going to show you a couple of flybys and other things that might help you decide if this is the drone for you and if you want to buy it. I just put it in follow mode right now, so it's in follow mode and it's going to follow this beacon of this remote. So it definitely it keeps up with me. That's pretty cool. So I just did a crash, but after the crash, look. No problem. And I crashed it. It didn't crash itself. I crashed it. Yeah, I crashed it. I was not paying attention. I went left or right. So. Also, there are different currents in there.